Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to buy Baby Doge Coin on Trust Wallet. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to purchase a supported cryptocurrency. On a cryptocurrency exchange or platform that supports purchasing Baby Doge, buy a supported cryptocurrency such as Binance Coin or Ethereum. Ensure that the chosen exchange supports the trading pair for Baby Doge with the selected cryptocurrency. Now transfer the purchased cryptocurrency to Trust Wallet. Open Trust Wallet on your mobile device and obtain your wallet's receipt address for the specific cryptocurrency you purchased. So for example, the BNB or ETH. Withdraw or transfer the purchased cryptocurrency from the exchange to your Trust Wallet address. Now access a decentralized exchange in your Trust Wallet. Tap on the apps or browser tab in Trust Wallet to open the built-in web browser. Navigate to a decentralized exchange that supports the trading of Baby Doge. Examples of DEX platforms include PancakeSwap, Uniswap, or SushiSwap. Connect Trust Wallet to the DEX. So on the DEX platform, locate the option to connect your wallet. Select Trust Wallet as the wallet of your choice and authorize the connection by following the prompts. Select the trading pair. Within the DX interface, choose the trading pair that includes Baby Doge and the cryptocurrency you previously purchased. So for example, the Baby Doge or BNB or Baby Doge slash ETH. Okay? Now enter the buy order details. So specify the amount of Baby Doge you want to purchase and review the transaction details, such as the exchange rates and fees. Now confirm the buy order. Once you are satisfied with the details, proceed to confirm the buy order. Trust Wallet will generate a transaction request. Now approve the transaction. So Trust Wallet will prompt you to approve the transaction by confirming the details and signing the transaction using your wallet's private key or biometric authentication. Now just go ahead and wait for the transaction to complete. After confirming the transaction, you will need to wait for the transaction to be processed on the blockchain. The time required may vary based on network congestion and the specific DEX platform. Now verify your Baby Doge balance. So once the transaction is completed, you should see the Baby Doge tokens reflected in your Trust Wallet. You can check your wallet balance by navigating to the Wallet or Assets section within the Trust Wallet app. So it is important to note that availability and support for specific cryptocurrencies may change over time. Therefore, it is recommended to conduct thorough research and ensure that Baby Doge is listed on the chosen DX platform and compatible with Trust Wallet. So additionally, be mindful of gas fees, slippage, and market conditions when trading on DX platforms. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.